If you're over 60, I want you to imagine something for just a moment. Imagine waking up one morning with sharper vision than the night before. Imagine reaching for your glasses and realizing you don't need them as urgently. Imagine remembering names, appointments, and conversations with more ease. Imagine going to bed at night and waking up the next morning feeling like your eyes and brain somehow repaired themselves while you slept. Now here's the part almost no one tells seniors. Your brain and your eyes are two of the only organs in the entire body that never stop repairing themselves, even while you're asleep. That repair process only slows down when they don't get the nutrients they need. And that's why today, I'm going to show you the top 5 science-supported juices that help restore vision, strengthen memory, nourish the nervous system, and support the aging brain, quietly, gently, naturally, while you sleep. These aren't exotic miracle cures. They're simple, affordable, and available in any grocery store. But when you combine them correctly and take them at the right time, they become some of the most powerful natural nighttime repair tools for aging eyes and aging memory. And the best part? You don't have to change your lifestyle. You don't have to follow a strict diet. You don't even have to exercise before bed. All you have to do is drink the right juice. Night, before you sleep, your body has one job: repair. And these 5 juices give it the fuel to do exactly that. Stay with me until the end, because I will also reveal the exact best time to drink each one, how to combine them for maximum overnight repair, and one surprising sleep nutrient that seniors are missing, and how one of these juices fixes that too. Now, let's get started. Why nighttime juicing works. The secret repair window. Before we get into the juices, there's something you need to understand, something that will make everything else make sense. Every night, when you fall asleep, your body enters what doctors call deep repair mode. During this phase, your eyes flush out toxins accumulated during the day. Your optic nerves receive nutrients more efficiently. Your brain clears out old proteins linked to memory loss. Your neurons form new communication pathways. Your circulation improves because your heart doesn't have to fight gravity. Your blood pressure naturally lowers, helping nutrients reach tiny vessels in the eyes. So why do juices help? Because juices deliver nutrients faster than solid foods. They require almost no digestion, which means that when you drink them 1 to 2 hours before bed, the nutrients are already in your bloodstream by the time deep sleep begins. This is why some seniors notice changes within days. Your body has always wanted to heal. It simply needed the right materials. These juices provide exactly that. Let's start with number 5, the gentle giant. Juice number 5, pomegranate juice, the nighttime blood flow booster. Pomegranate juice is one of the most powerful natural circulatory enhancers available to seniors. And if you're over 60, circulation is the number 1 factor behind both vision decline and memory issues. But most people never realize it. Why? Because your eyes and your brain have the tiniest blood vessels in your entire body. They depend on a steady flow of oxygen-rich blood to function well. As we age, those tiny vessels become more fragile, narrower, and less flexible. Pomegranate juice helps in 3 powerful ways. 1. It widens tiny blood vessels. This helps more oxygen reach the retina, the macula, and the optic nerve, the 3 most important parts of your vision. 2. It helps remove old deposits. These deposits can slow circulation to the brain, affecting memory and focus. 3. It fuels your brain's overnight cleanup crew. While you sleep, your brain removes waste proteins. Pomegranate antioxidants support this process and help your memory center, the hippocampus, function better the next day. The ideal time to drink it, 90 minutes before bed. This allows your insulin to settle and lets the nutrients travel freely during deep sleep. How much? Half a cup, not a full glass. This is enough for circulation benefits without overloading your digestion before bedtime. Now, pomegranate works beautifully for blood flow. But the next juice? It targets something even more important, the nerves that connect your eyes and brain. If you've ever noticed eye twitching, blurry moments, or sudden forgetfulness, this juice may surprise you. Juice number 4, carrot and orange juice blend. The retina repairer. Most seniors already know carrots are good for the eyes, but what they don't know is that carrots alone aren't enough. The real magic happens when you combine carrot juice with orange juice. Here's why. 1. Carrots contain beta-carotene, the raw material for vitamin A. Your retina depends on vitamin A to repair itself while you sleep. 2. Oranges contain vitamin C, which helps deliver vitamin A into the eye. Think of vitamin C as the driver that escorts vitamin A into the cells that need it. 3. The combination increases macular pigment density. This is the natural shield inside your eyes that protects vision as you age. 4. It also improves nighttime vision, something most seniors lose first. Why it works best at night. Your retina performs most of its repair during REM sleep. When the nutrients are already available in your bloodstream, the repair process becomes more efficient. How to make it? 1 large carrot, half an orange, a tiny squeeze of lemon, a splash of water. Blend or juice. Simple, light, effective. Best time to drink it, 1 hour before bed. How much? 3/4 of a cup. Carrot-orange juice strengthens the retina. But memory? That's handled by a very different juice, a deep red powerhouse that's been studied for its effects on the aging brain. And when taken before sleep, it does something no other juice can do. Juice number 3. Tart cherry juice, the memory sleep juice. If you could only drink 1 juice before bed to help your memory, sleep quality, and overnight brain repair, tart cherry juice would be the winner. Why? Because tart cherry juice contains a natural compound that seniors desperately need, but lose with age, called natural melatonin. Here's why that matters. 1. Melatonin improves the quality of deep sleep. Deep sleep is the stage where memory is formed and stored. If your deep sleep is weak, your memory becomes weak. 2. Tart cherries also contain anthocyanins, brain-protective antioxidants. These help shield the brain from aging effects while promoting cognitive clarity the next morning. 3. It enhances glymphatic drainage, the brain's overnight cleaning system. Your brain rinses out old proteins while you sleep. Cherry juice supports this detox process. 4. Better sleep equals better memory. It doesn't matter how many supplements you take. If your sleep is poor, your memory will struggle. Why this works while you sleep? Melatonin signals your body that it's time to enter repair mode. When taken 1 hour before bed, tart cherry juice naturally increases melatonin levels, without pills. How much? 1/4 cup diluted with warm water. Best time to drink it, 40 to 60 minutes before bed. Tart cherry juice improves memory by improving sleep. But what about the eyes themselves? What about floaters, dryness, blurry mornings, or tired eyes? For that, we move to the next juice, one of nature's most underrated vision healers. Juice number 2, blueberry juice, the eye protector and brain shield. Blueberries are often called brain berries, but that barely scratches the surface. Blueberry juice is one of the most effective natural protectors for both the brain and the eyes because it does something no other juice on this list can do. It strengthens the tiny capillaries that carry nutrients to your eyes and memory center. And as we age, these tiny blood vessels become weaker, thinner, and more prone to damage. Blueberries contain compounds known as anthocyanins, which 1. Strengthen capillaries in the retina. This helps protect against age-related vision changes. 2. Improve microcirculation to the hippocampus. The hippocampus is your brain's memory warehouse. 3. Support nerve communication. Better communication equals clearer thinking. 4. Reduce oxidative stress in the eyes. Why nighttime is the best time. At night, your eyes and brain aren't working. They're resting. This gives anthocyanins the perfect opportunity to repair and rebuild tissue without interruption. How to drink it. Blend or juice. Half a cup of blueberries. Splash of water. Optional. Teaspoon of lemon. It creates a dark, rich, beautiful juice. Best time to drink it. Right after dinner. Not too late, to avoid reflux. Now we've covered circulation, retina repair, sleep, and capillary strength. But there's still one more juice, the strongest of them all. And it works on both memory and vision at the deepest level. This final juice is so powerful at nighttime repair that neurologists, eye doctors, and longevity specialists recommend it more than any other. And yet, almost no senior uses it correctly. Let me show you how. Juice number 1. Beetroot and ginger juice. The overnight oxygen opener. If you want better memory, stronger vision, and deeper sleep, you need oxygen. Every cell in your brain and your eyes depends on it. Beetroot juice contains natural nitrates that increase nitric oxide, a molecule that opens blood vessels and improves oxygen delivery. This is why beet juice is known as the oxygen opener. Here's what makes beet ginger juice number 1 on this list. 1. It widens blood vessels so oxygen can reach the optic nerve. This is essential for clear, stable vision. 2. It increases oxygen flow to the brain during sleep. Higher nighttime oxygen equals better memory retention. 3. It supports the brain's nightly detox cycle. 4. Ginger improves nutrient absorption. Ginger allows your body to use beet nutrients more effectively. 5. It supports nighttime relaxation. Why it works at night? Your brain consumes a surprising amount of oxygen while you sleep because that is when it performs its deepest repairs. Beet juice ensures that oxygen delivery remains high all night long. How to make it? Half a medium beet. A tiny slice of ginger. Add water. Blend or juice. How much? Half a cup. Never drink a full glass before bed. It's too heavy. Best time to drink it, 2 hours before sleep, so the nutrients peak during your deepest sleep stage. Now that you know the top 5 juices, you need to understand how to use them correctly, because drinking them at random times won't give you the results you want. Next, I'll show you your nighttime repair schedule. Your nighttime vision and memory repair schedule. Most seniors make the same mistake. They drink healthy beverages at the wrong time. Timing matters. Here is the perfect overnight repair schedule. Step 1. After dinner. 6 to 7 p.m. Blueberry juice. This supports capillaries, microcirculation, and early nutrient absorption. Step 2. 2 hours before bed. Beetroot and ginger juice. This opens blood vessels and primes oxygen delivery. Step 3. 90 minutes before bed. Pomegranate juice. This improves circulation and fuels overnight brain repair. Step 4. 1 hour before bed. Carrot orange juice. This delivers vitamin A directly to the retina before REM sleep. Step 5. 40 minutes before bed. Tart cherry juice. It triggers natural melatonin for deeper sleep and better memory consolidation. If you follow this schedule for 14 nights, most seniors notice brighter vision in the morning, less dryness, enhanced clarity, better recall, improved morning alertness. reduced morning fog, a calmer brain at night. What to expect over time. After 3 nights, you'll feel more rested. Your morning clarity increases. After 7 nights, eye strain decreases, memory feels smoother. After 14 nights, you notice sharper vision. You recall details faster. After 30 nights, vision and memory enter a stable improvement phase. Small, real changes that accumulate. Important helpful tips for seniors. Number 1. Start small. You don't need large glasses. Half cups work best. Number 2. Stay consistent. These juices work gently and gradually. Number 3. Avoid sugar-added versions. You want natural, pure juices. Number 4. Combine no more than 2 juices per night. Rotate them to avoid digestive overload. Number 5. Always drink slowly. Sipping improves nutrient uptake. If you're over 60, you deserve to wake up feeling clear, calm, and in control of your memory. You deserve to read your phone without straining. You deserve to remember conversations without searching for words. You deserve mornings where your eyes feel refreshed, not tired. And most importantly, you deserve the confidence that your mind is still yours, strong, steady, capable. Your brain is not declining. Your eyes are not failing. They simply need support, the kind of support nature has provided all along. Tonight, before you sleep, give your body what it's been waiting for. Let it repair itself. Let it restore itself. Let it heal, quietly, gently, naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Someone you care about, a parent, a sibling, a friend, might be struggling with their eyes or memory and silently wishing for a simple solution. Share this with them. And if you want more natural, science-supported ways to protect your brain, your heart, your bones, and your independence as you age, subscribe to Senior Health Tips, where we share life-changing advice for people over 60, without fear, without confusion, and always with hope. Your best years are not behind you. They're still ahead, and I'll be here to walk that journey with you.